information gathering. So what is information gathering? Information gathering is the process of gathering the maximum amount of data about a target. So what are the methods used to gather this sort of information? The methods are broadly categorized into two types. One is physical and the other one is online. So physical methods are social engineering, dumpster diving, physical monitoring, phone tapping, etc. And your online methods are use of social media, using Whois records, and using search engines. So what is social engineering? Social engineering is the method of manipulating people into giving away information which will help the attacker compromise his target. So it can be like somebody has called you and they're saying that they're from the technical department and they're asking you for your password. Some users might give away the passwords without verifying the person on the other end. So that is a method of social engineering. So let's go to the next one. Another very famous type of method to get information is dumpster diving. This is very, very popular, and what happens is people monitor the garbage which is going out of big corporations, and they look for files or letters or hard disks or pen drives which have been discarded but might contain some sensitive information within them. And the best way to protect against this is first, never get rid of your hardware or any of your storage devices directly. You should use some sort of wiping software and then dispose it properly, not in a dumpster. And always shred your legal papers or any sort of important papers before you put them in the garbage. So another method is physically monitoring a person. It might be just that you're monitoring their routines, seeing how they work, what time they leave the home, what time they reach the office, all sort of things like that. Another direct way of doing this is installing a camera in their private spaces. So that is physical monitoring. And another method which is very popular is phone tapping, and this is installing a bug in somebody's phone such that you can listen to all their conversations. So this will give you lots of information about the person and who your target is. So when it comes to online, the most important one and the most useful one is social media. And social media can be used by attackers to gain tons of knowledge about the victims, and they usually arise because the person who's being attacked has not configured their privacy settings properly, and that they're sharing too much information than needed. So another method is Whois. So Whois is a query and response protocol that is used for getting information from databases which store information. Whois is a query and response based protocol that allows you to get information from databases which store information about a website's owner and the website's information. And to do this on the internet, you can use websites like who.is or whois.net. We'll see the demonstration later. And search engines. Of course, search engines are very, very useful when it comes to information gathering, because they, even if they don't mean to, they unthinkingly collect lots of information from websites, because the websites do not have proper security configurations. If the website is properly configured, then no user or any search engine spider should not be able to visit those pages. Or even if the users can visit it, the search engines should not be able to visit those pages. And the website can use some certain security configurations to stop search engines from getting into certain areas. But if it is not properly configured, then you have confidential information being indexed by search engines, which is very easy to be searched by a normal user.